Lesson 9.8 is titled Surface Area and Volume of a Cube, and Lesson 9.9 is titled Surface Area and Volume of a Box. We study both lessons on the same day since a cube is a special type of box. Well, let's start by taking another look at the cubes we looked at in the previous lesson. The surface area is the sum of the areas of the 6 rectangles that make up the sides of a box. In the cube shown here, each side is a square, 3 units on a side, and the area of each side is easy to see at 9 square units, or 3 times 3. Since the cube has 6 sides, the total surface area is 6 times 9, or 54 square units. The total space that the cube takes up is called the volume. I hope you can tell that the top layer of this large cube contains 9 small cubes and that there are 3 layers to the large cube. So 3 layers times 9 cubes per layer is 27 smaller cubes to make up the whole thing. We say then that the volume of the cube is 27 cubic units. If that unit were centimeters, it would be written 27 cm to the 3rd power, which is short for saying 27 cubic centimeters. The formula for the volume of a box is volume equals LWH, where L stands for the length, W stands for the width, and H stands for the height. So in this cube, L, W, and H are all equal to 3, so all we have to do is 3 times 3 times 3, or 27 cubic units. Here is another look at a box that made an appearance a few weeks ago in a problem of the week. We marked the box up into centimeters, and we see that it is 8 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, and 3 centimeters high. The volume then, using our formula, length times width times height, is 8 times 5 times 3, or 120 cubic centimeters. The surface area is a little more complicated. The box has 6 total sides, and it comes in pairs of 2. The top and the bottom are the same at 5 by 8, or 40 square centimeters each. The left and the right are the same at 3 by 8, or 24 square centimeters each, and the front and the back are the same at 3 by 5, or 15 square centimeters each. We add all those up, and you see we have 2 40s, 2 24s, 2 15s. Add them all up. The total surface area is 158 square centimeters. Here is a look at 2 boxes from the previous lesson. And here's our first box. The volume is 2 by 3 by 4, 2 times 3 times 4, 24 cubic centimeters. And looking at the net that we made in our previous lesson helps us find the total surface area. In fact, we put the answers for each rectangle right there in the net. Once again, you can see there are 2 12s, 2 6s, and 2 8s. Add them up, 52 square centimeters. The final type of box that we've looked at is the one where 2 of the dimensions are the same and 1 is different. And in the one we looked at yesterday, the volume was 4 by 2 by 2 because the box was 4 units long, 2 units wide, 2 units high, 4 times 2 times 2, 16 cubic centimeters is the volume. And then we look at the same net we looked in the previous lesson. There are all 6 sides. 4 of the sides are the same, 2 by 4. Those are 8s. So 4 8s plus 2 4s. The 4s each represent a 2 by 2. 4 8s plus 2 4s is 40 square centimeters.